Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in tech sentiment at plus 0.20, coupled with an impressive momentum of plus 0.80. This is a significant departure from our historical baseline, indicating a surge of positive sentiment around tech that we haven't witnessed recently. With 20 distinct semantic clusters, our API returns detailed insights that help you understand the nuances driving this sentiment. For example, you can utilize this data to enhance your trading algorithms, adjusting strategies based on real-time sentiment shifts, ensuring you're always a step ahead. Dive deeper into this powerful tool and transform your approach to sentiment analysis. Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.